going on? Hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 10. Hello, Mickey. Hello, Sasha. Hey guys, it's me again. Note to self: when you are eating hot wings, do not rub your eyes after. I did that. So these are the glass ornaments that I want to decorate. Now, I'm not too artsy fartsy, but I want to put something on them and personalize them for some people. So I think I am going to do that on my Cricut. And I think in 2 videos ago I showed you guys when I was doing something on my Cricut and I personalized the box. So we'll see how these turn. They are glass. I'm scared that the pressure that I'm going to put on them might shatter them. I am crossing my fingers that I use a light touch as I'm doing that. So we're gonna aim for that. So we're gonna try that, and yeah, probably like a name and the year. I wanted to do it for a friend of mine. It's her baby's first Christmas, so maybe the name of the baby and the year. I can put something on it and give it to her so she can have something for her baby. And yeah, so that's what I'm thinking. Okay, we're gonna do this. We'll be back. Okay, so I just finished cutting it, and here it is. I know it's hard to see because it's holographic and it just reflects on there, but now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, cut the excess stuff I'm not gonna use on there. But I have a feeling, usually there's a little line up thing. Let me get my, hold up. I don't like this one because I don't like how, I feel like it's gonna move. Is this an extended ruler? Probably is. Let me get my other one. Hold on. Okay, this is the one I like. This is from Cricut. It's big and it's spacious. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim this off. Line it up here and trim what we don't need. But I really have a feeling that it's gonna be too big for the ornament. What I don't like is that this, I wish I can, do you see that spacing between the letters? That's too much. They should have been more together. Okay guys, so we're back. So I think it might work. So this is the product and this is what we're gonna put it on, this ornament. And I think it will work out fine. So now what I have to do is put this on transfer tape. So I will show you guys that. forgot one little thing. The shoe. Okay, shoot, get out of there. All right. Okay, so now. So as you are peeling off, it's okay. So, two options. You can do this. Pull back and you just bring it up. You're just like, you are gonna join this paper, and that's what you do. You force it, okay? Some people don't like to go to places. Well, we're making these letters join the transfer paper, okay? Now the L is saying, hey, yo, me neither, I want to stay. No, sucker, you gotta come. You coming with us. You guys are all together. You guys are a team. You just push it. Push them together. They are now a family. They need to go together. Film. Hey guys, so my camera overheated, so this is going to be pretty quick, but I managed to kind of save it, so I wanted to show you guys how it looked. So, here we go. That's the name. Pretty long. And then, this is where I messed up. That T right there. So, I'm going to have to do this all over. And I think what I have to do is do one line at a time. But other than that, I thought it turned out pretty cute. Just wanted to show you guys that, and next time we're going to get this together and I'll show you guys the final product. But I shouldn't have practice on the glass one. I don't know what to do. I might just take off the word first, Christmas off, and then just leave the 2018 because everything else looked good. So until next time, thanks for coming again to my channel. See ya. Bye.